Thinking about filing a provisional but not sure how it works? In this video, I'm answering the top 10 questions inventors ask. Like, how long a provisional lasts? Is a provisional a real patent? Then what does patent pending really mean? And I'll start with the big one. Is it already too late to file? Is a provisional a real patent? A provisional patent application isn't really a patent. It's an application. It's a placeholder. It establishes your priority for whatever it is that you've filed. Sometimes people say, I filed a provisional patent. That's not really correct. It's a provisional patent application because it's just placed on file and just holds your place in line toward getting a patent. Does a provisional patent application get approved? Or do provisional patents get approved? A provisional patent application doesn't get approved. In fact, it doesn't even get reviewed. When you file a provisional patent application, you will get an acknowledgement from the patent office, called a filing receipt, that your provisional application was filed. But they're not reviewing the substance of the application. And so no, a provisional patent application will not get approved. How long does a provisional patent application last before expiring? A provisional patent application will last for 12 months. And what that really means is that you have 12 months to file a full patent application, also called a non-provisional patent application, or called a utility patent application. You'll have 12 months to file that application before it's too late to claim priority from this provisional. So in 12 months, that essential function of the provisional in giving you the ability to claim earlier priority will expire. What does patent pending mean? Patent pending means that your patent application has been filed. You can tell other people this is a patent pending invention, which really just means that you've established your rights in whatever it is that you've filed, but you don't yet have full patent protection. Does a provisional offer enforceable rights? Can I sue someone if all I filed is a provisional patent application? The main function of a provisional application is to establish your priority in your invention. It doesn't give you the ability to stop other people from making, using, or selling the invention. So having your provisional on file is a step toward having those enforceable rights, but it in itself will not give you enforceable rights. What does it cost to file a provisional patent application? As far as the government filing fee, it depends on the size of entity that you are. Some people are entitled to lower fees, but in general, it's going to cost less than $150 in government filing fees. There are some cheap options for preparing provisional patent applications, but typically those are insufficient. You need to provide significant detail in order to effectively establish your priority. A rule of thumb we use at this firm is that we make a provisional application about a 50 to 60% effort of what a full patent application would be. So it typically costs about half to comprehensively prepare a provisional patent application compared to a full non-provisional or utility patent application. Do I need to include claims in a provisional application? No, it's not required that you include claims in a provisional patent application. But for the sake of reserving the right to file in certain foreign jurisdictions later, many patent practitioners include one comprehensive claim. Can I file more than one provisional patent application for the same invention? Yes. For different reasons, you might end up filing more than one provisional application. But keep in mind that if you want to claim priority to any of them, you need to file that non-provisional patent application within 1 year of the earliest one from which you want to claim priority. Can I write my own provisional patent application? Yes, of course you can. But remember that the priority you get is only as good as the application was well written. So if you see value in the invention, it pays to have it done the right way. Can I refile the provisional after it expires? Yes, you can refile. But remember, if the earlier one expired, you can't claim priority to that. And if I didn't answer your question, be sure to leave it in the comments so I can answer it in the next video. Remember not to include any specific information about your idea or any proprietary information at all. Don't gamble with your invention. If you're close to your launch date or already selling, talk to a patent attorney now. Click the link below to book your strategy call, and let's see if it's still possible to protect your idea. In the next video, we're talking about AI patents. So be sure to check out that video, and I'll see you there.